In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix a temporarily disabled Chime card. These are the best solution. The most common reason for a card being disabled is that it was frozen in the application. So to fix this, just go to your profile and tap cards and ensure that the toggle next to press card is gray and not green. You can also try logging out and logging back in. A recurring technical glitch, especially for the virtual card, showing as temporarily unavailable after logging in from a new device, can often be fixed by fully signing out of the application and signing back in manually. You can also try updating or reinstalling the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Chime app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And if the problem persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app entirely to ensure a fresh data download. That's how you can fix a Chime card that is temporarily disabled, and thank you for listening.